African parents, they say they normally don't apologize when they are wrong.
Yes.
Is that true?
No, it's not everybody.
It's not everybody.
Yes.
So with experience, have their parents ever apologized to you when they are small?
Even when I'm big, even now that I'm big, there is sometimes my mommy will say something that is not good. I'll say, mommy, this thing you say is not good. Say, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Even my dad, is not only my mom.
Oh, both parents?
Yes.
I thought men always feel like they are hard, they are cold.
No, my daddy loves us so much. Even little till you say, Adam, I'm sorry.
So, do you do the same to your children when you do them wrong?
Yes, sometimes.
Not all the time?
Not all the
Why
time.
not all the time?
Because they are boys.
Oh.
There are 5 boys. So when you treat them like that, their ego will be too much.
Okay.
They will carry their shoulder too much.
So now, you select when to apologize?
Yes. And if you want to apologize, you will not go straight. You use indirect way. Because if you go direct, next time you wait for you to say, mommy did not tell me sorry.
Okay.
That's why.
Sense. See sense. African mothers will not come before them. Okay, it's my pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Mostly my mother. You understand? But my father, hardly my father tell you sorry. Because my father declare say he be the head of the family. But my mother, when my mother do it wrong, I'm going to say, and say, ma, I say sorry. This thing, I know say I'm wrong, but this thing will not happen again. I said, mommy, sorry, no problem. You understand? One day when my mother needs, I said, no, mommy, why you do like this? He said, no, I said, no, mommy, get up. Seriously? You're my mother. Yes. Oh. You understand?
Another day, extra meat today.
Seriously, I'm telling you.
Yes, they do, but not with the I'm sorry word. Is it that they use something you like, they know you like, and apologize to you with sense or with style? Or they just leave it like that?
Why do you think African parents are always like this?
You know, they like referring to forefathers. So they'll tell you that our forefathers did not apologize to them, so they don't need to apologize to their own child. One day, they might bring it as a joke. Maybe when you are all grown and but they will never apologize to you. You hardly see a parent that apologizes to his child.
So what do you think in this generation? Will you apologize to your child when you are wrong?
Yes, if I'm wrong, I will apologize to my child.
You'll be both to tell he or she sorry for what I did is wrong?
Well, if really what I did is wrong, I will apologize to my child. Not with the sorry of what I did is wrong. I'll just tell you, okay, maybe I misunderstood you, but since I understand that this is how it is.
Why do you want to run away from sorry?
No, it's not running away from sorry. You know one thing with us, when your parents or somebody bigger than you tell you sorry, tomorrow again, if you do something and you know that that thing is bad, you will feel like maybe if the person sees it and question you again, you'll be waiting for that person to come and tell you sorry. That's one thing to be.
So you try to avoid it so that you won't constantly be apologizing as if you are the weak side, right?
Yes.
Does it mean that telling people sorry all the time, even when you are wrong or right, does it mean that you are weak actually?
No, like when you say telling people sorry all the time and your parents telling you sorry.
Does it mean that they are
two
weak?
Different people.
No, let me say your parents tell you sorry whenever they are wrong. Does it mean that they are weak?
No.
Or they understand that they can apologize to you?
Yes.
They understand.
They have that understanding that they can apologize to.
Okay.